story. Once upon a time, there was an argument between the tortoise and the bird. Then they are talking about his house. Now, the tortoise said, your house looks like a brown house. Then look, my house looks like a stone. Then my shell is like my house. Then I like it. Then the bird says, my house is made of twigs. Yes, it is made of twigs. That is the tortoise say. Now they'll talk about now the tortoise what talking is your house not so cool. But the bird says, my house is for my family and my friends. That we say. Now the tortoise says, but the bird says, but your house must be yours. But there are no friends will be with you. Now that is what I will say. Then okay, the bird is the best. Why? That have some leaves, then have a roof. That's why the bird was the best. Okay, that is the end. Okay, bye.